For a cost ranging between $895 to $1,495 US per month, with virtualemployee.com, you can outsource any office work in any field or profession. From professional fields such as software programming, engineering, and SEO, to back office positions such as data entry and bookkeeping. Put simply, if your work can be completed on a computer with virtualemployee.com, you can outsource it to India. Other than this exception, there is no limitation on what you can outsource with us. With virtualemployee.com, you outsource by hiring a virtual employee. A virtual employee is simply an employee that works for you remotely from virtualemployee.com's office in India. The key word with us is employee. You do not hire a freelancer. And so you work with the same employee every day, your employee works only for you, and you can work with the same employee on a long-term basis. Hence, a virtual employee is a remote addition and extension of your local team and company. The cost of hiring a full-time, dedicated virtual employee varies between $895 to $1,495 US per month. The cost is dependent upon whether you want to hire a specialist or back-office employee, and by the skill set and years of experience you require in an employee. Although your employee works from virtualemployee.com's office in India, you are in complete control. And so you assign work and responsibilities to your employee, instruct on how to complete the work, provide any required training, supervise the employee's work, and set project deadlines. Similarly, your employee will report their progress to you, ask you questions, and submit their work to you. In summary, hiring a virtual employee is just like hiring any other local employee. The only one difference is that a virtual employee works for you remotely as opposed to physically from your office. It is entirely your choice how you work with your employee, and if you want your employee to work independently or closely with you. You decide if you want your employee to utilize any computer hardware, and if they should collaborate with you via video conferencing, phone, Skype, instant messenger, email, remote PC software, or any other internet collaboration tools. Virtualemployee.com creates an office environment which bridges physical distance and thus makes it possible for you to work directly with your employee in India. Virtualemployee.com manages the entire outsourcing process, but does not, however, instruct or direct your employee as to what they should work on. Your employee works from virtualemployee.com's office, where they shall be provided with a new Dell or HP PC, a telephone with any local US or European number, Windows OS and other commonly used software, and all other computer peripherals such as a printer, fax, scanner, headset and webcam, etc. The virtualemployee.com office is maintained to international standards with stable and fast lease line internet connections, a generator to ensure no break in electricity, servers for secure data storage, spacious office desks, and air conditioning. This infrastructure and hardware, in addition to Skype, email, instant messengers, and internet collaboration tools, will give you the option of high levels of collaboration and interaction with your virtual employee. Whilst your employee works, they are monitored and supervised at all times by virtualemployee.com managers and HR executives. Therefore, you are safe in the knowledge that your employee is working from a professional office environment. Our physical presence enables us to provide immediate assistance for you or your employee, implement any of your directions, manage your employee in accordance with your instructions, resolve any problems, ensure your employee is working efficiently, and perform any necessary follow-ups. With such management, virtualemployee.com makes certain the entire outsourcing process is a success at all times. The virtualemployee.com client support department is open 24 hours a day. If you have any problems at any time, simply contact us via phone or email and a manager will assist you immediately. The virtualemployee.com technical and hardware support department is also open 24 hours a day for any hardware-related assistance your employee may require. Furthermore, you enter into a service contract with virtualemployee.com, and legally, your employee is employed by virtualemployee.com. Accordingly, all employment tax, insurance, and labor law responsibilities are obligations of virtualemployee.com and not you. Lastly, all other HR, admin, and logistical requirements are taken care of by virtualemployee.com. Virtualemployee.com takes care of all the non-work-related responsibilities so that you and your employee concentrate only on your work. With a few clicks on your PC, you can now outsource, hire an employee, and set up an extension of your office in India.